thief people them or people the way they kill some 60-year-old man where they call him say wetin they call it say Cho for that side for mile 8 Mancon. B people them under the eye for Lieutenant Colonel Foreman Ndongo. They don't catch that people them for that side. So for Bamenda this afternoon we go talk that palaver plus another one way take pass. Now for that side for agency for moto where they call them say Grand West. Where the Tori wey just enter we here with small amateur image wey just enter them. Now say waiting family where he go hire this motor for carry thy body go Bamenjo. They say big people them for motor all man he don't disappear, he don't left family with thy body for that side. So for agency we get small amateur image them. We go turn back for this other work we take pass for Douala here. Where they so now a big people them for gendarme under the eye for the big man CSF where they call him say Colonel big Colonel Abina Ahanda. They put hand for some 4 people the way they don't do correct work for that side. So for Paul for Douala their own now for the make people them wawa book for take cargo for poor side. They catch them too for inside Douala here. They show them for population yesterday. All the Tori them so plus other small one them we go take style so for give and for now for this afternoon for this side. So for Equinox Tori House big part talk for this afternoon. He talks say waiting. He say picking goat he did make na play go up and down for a mommy back. Now so today they take born a follow back. Say now only play picking goat he did take make play for a mommy back. Now so to a follow back. Edite Kam Pangwa for administrative quarter for inside Douala here. Mabanda side na ise with big part talk. I dey come back small time. Very good afternoon for outside the country people them. We glad plenty for meet up una for this side for Equinox Tori House for this afternoon. First story where we go take talk and for this side we take una go for Bamenda where it is so some man where they call him say Cho Pius Anye. Now the man name that they meet up a die body now for that side. So for which side for inside bush. For mile 8 Mancon, we fisa enter for inside the Tori for talk this Palaba country people them. We take una go for that side for mile 8 for Mancon, Bamenda side. This one na man for 60 years where they call it say Cho Pius Anye. Where it is so they kill throw it for inside bush. After investigate, B people them, gendarme people them for that side. Then last put hand for the boy them where they be part for inside this place and they bush that where it is so they meet up that part for say the rotten. They don't already bury the man where they call it say Cho Pius Anye. Now some of the boy them this where they so gendarme people them they so they be put hand with B people them for textile so for catch this boy the way they be get hand for inside this palava where they so they kill some 60-year-old man. According to Tori wey enter we here, the young boy will be there inside the palabam. They try for tell we say na im mami sesep is seni for go kill this man where they call him say Cho Pius Anye, 60-year-old man where he be the B hotel and he be the stay E1 for inside the hotel. So as we take pass, gendarme people they be put their hand for inside these people them. Sabi say this palabam now for between gendarme and B people them where it is so they take cash all the people there they be get hand for inside this spa. He die for that side. So for Bamenda mile 8 man corner with the take talk and so now for there they go meet up the boy them after where they don't finish kill this spa. Now the pie compound where the motor society take enter. Now the hotel this way the pa be the builder and the land where the pie one it be the stay so for inside the country people them where it is so they take find this man. Now after where they finish make investigate for catch this palm he kill them. B people them where they take the matter now so they be show the people them for public. All the people them where it is so they be get hand inside this palava for die. B people them he present them for population for Bamenda make we enter for them. Yes now B office that for Bamenda where it is so they be take cash all the people them. It means say any man where he be here palava the plan for kill this pa, they cash all them. Now why they say and say number for people the way they kill this pa, 60-year-old pa, it don't add. And as well take talk, this 60-year-old pa, now person will be the make a hotel, and it be the stay one for inside that hotel country people them where it they so they enter, they kill these people there. So all them so na the sea and so country people, all them so na them be planned for kill this part, and na through telephone all them they be the talk for sabi say this one na this one na our Augustine that alias Chinua. Yes, he says it dey for inside the palaba 23-year-old boy. Na he says do in na them do that na for B side all the thing he take pass, and as well take talk. Big man for B, where they call him say waiting Lieutenant Colonel Fomenen Dongo Terim. Now all them so where they be before inside this palaba. We be talk with one person for that side where it be sabi the pa fine Pacho Pius Anye. Make we take here you talk.
So me, I don't come for. So this morning I don't come for market because my business premises be at Domain Market. So I don't come now. I try for arrange some. I try for arrange my goods. So they call me. They tell me say so something not happen. Say I never I told you no me I never because me I don't last month. Where you can pass buy goods and for me for the hotel because we make the place of hotel. So you can buy that goods and for me tell me say so it plans say Sunday when I go visit, when I go some visit. So as I can talk so Sunday now I can't visit it at the pana house and now so they go me for just as it taken. So he tell me say yes that's good. So when I don't talk. So then it was okay go you I don't bless you. Then from then I go me. Then one Sunday you can pass on market now still buy again 12 as you can buy 12 now. As you can buy 12 then from there now you don't still make about more now. Yes, more than last month you can buy. You don't make about much. I know say this I will come visit the woman. So can show my fiancé. So I want you again.
Yes, now one of the person then that way they so it be take sabi that pa fine Pacho Pius and you the killie with bedsheet for corner a place for mile 8 Mancon. We be talk to Stella to be put in microphone for the main killer. One of the person we say na mommy is sending for go kill that palm after we they go pay him money. Make we hear you talk.
If you come on the spray grass, you come on the spray grass now, so I see now, so I see now, so I can't think now, so I can't think now, so for them, and now again, for now, so then I want to know if you die, and then dragging now, so with us a bush, okay, or corner, bush. They send me a song. It was a real key or you money, but after that, all the thing no game.
Yes, now the young boy that way he get mine for kill that pa for 60 years old and Idwam under command for Imami. So as well take talk, all them they don't catch them, even they come be them where they be here palava the plan. Be people them and gendarme they don't join hand, make investigate and as well take talk, all that work now thanks to Lieutenant Colonel Fomen Dongo Terim, where he be big man for B for that side, so for Bamenda. We go turn back for Bamenda, this one now for only for an year.
Since 1983 when the bastard since 1983 live for 1 year. Me live for me.
You can carry high blood. Don't pass. Don't be happy. You don't get there. Don't get the people there.
I carry that one for my back. I can't go carry water. I can't feel like a crisis. Just that PhD. Since 1983. You want that? Never leave me only for 1 year.
Yes, we go left that chapter for that power when a businessman, ADB Hotel, where they kill Cho Pius Anye. Make we enter for different chapter We open chapter for fire, country people them. We take on a go for that side for Avenue Kennedy. Now one of the binet, strong binet plates for inside here when they way fire too. It be visit some store them for inside that side, so for Avenue Kennedy. It be then yesterday, so country people for hot afternoon. As we take talk, as fire it take pass. Now so to police for firefighter people them, army rescue people them to the textile so enter for inside this palaver. They come with their motor struggle for see how they go lost fire. But Sabi say if not now for seeker say them say they come quick. It means say plenty people then therefore lost their cargo them inside this fire way it passed for Yawende for Avenue Kennedy. So yesterday now so to all man it say congratulate for army rescue people then way they land for day one time. But people the way they be suffer plenty inside this fire. Now mostly people the way they sell computer, one the way they did for other electronic palaver them. Now them they suffer plenty for this fire way catch for Avenue Kennedy yesterday. We go talk Palava thief again. Palava people there they sabi for get money for short way inside gendarmerie office here yesterday. Now so too the people then too they don't do correct work. Now people them way they so they their own work now for thief. Akono Mase Ivan Nainda, 31-year-old boy or man, where he so the kashi, Ntimbane Eric, 90s, he put his face for ground, so make no see him. Another one, Ekasi Henry Walter, 42-year-old man, Nainda, where he says be get him for inside the palava for fake donkey. Then Iavon Jean-Marc, 33-year-old man, 92 this, all them so now them be the make correct donkey for people them for textile, so for enter for inside pour for Douala for take their cargo them. Now anyway, gendarme people them under the eye for the big man for gendarme where they call it say Abina Ahanda Francois. They join us so with research people them they catch them. So they show them for population yesterday for inside Douala here. Now make we enter for the other chapter for these two people them the material the way they use them for work waiting be their work in them. Make we enter for see this work in them. So for that side for gendarmerie office with people the way they make investigate all the boy them waiting they be the use them for thief. Waiting they be use them for make that donkey even as well they don't join them combi. Now than that they get all kinds stamp the way if he ever want them for inside this earth. Yes. Even Popo he own if you no look out he did and na so to the sabi for make signature for on top man it system them. You the system them all that stamp them na big people they own them for inside country here where they get away they use them for make their fake donkey them. When they make them now they hard drive that for inside their computer. When they make them so they give you they show you original donkey set. You know go sabi say the one now original donkey for sika say them they sabi for do the work fine. Now for sika why that way when they catch you kind of people then so big question they ask when they take them go from Gata. They go come out them again nana they continue for do their work. They want them only money where they don't the chop am. Now why that way they the fat? Now why that they the fresh? Only money, computer setup, they hard drive, all thing. They get them where they use and do their work. So now the correct work that way, big people them for gendarme, they take do for inside country. So shame for inside country here. We take on a go for that side for Bafoussam, 16 meters away from Bafoussam. Some school they way they cry for beg. Yes, the school in the beg say me they look at it. We take una go for that side for school where they call and say waiting. Sinte Balen. Yes, now the school that primary school picking them. Man, I did make we start back from the beginning. Make we see class with this speaking, then they learn for inside. Yes, make we start. But not that. When I see the school now with the poto, then see the one be don't fall. They never ever look at and school. Oh, see how way don't fall. They never look at and road self or go for the school. Now only 16 meters for come up for some reach for the place. But see the way we picking the year hot. Now school that class if you don't throw away since this school they tell we say they for 17 years. But the school now for Asia, yes. Now for talk say purple Asia for country. For Sika say as we country they go for before it they like say thing that they only spoil. I say the thing that they only spoil for inside the school. Inside one class, now where they take these two different classes. Blackboard day for before, blackboard day for back. One teacher, now the teacher. See school. When I say as where the school don't own, see ceiling self for school. Na bamboo they bamboo where they don't take supporting them for inside the school. It means say the school is the year hot. The school is the year hot. See headmaster office. It is headmaster office where no day. You no get ceiling. People they enter do all kind of thing. when rain e fall water enter for inside class. When all thing dey happen, see headmaster office, una see am, headmaster office na that. Country e dey go for before 2035 we must to emerge. Even as so we still get the kind of school dem, we must to emerge for 2035. Na school this way pikin dey go. Future Cameroon president dem, future Cameroon minister dem, see the school, they don't abandon them. E dey like say they no dey inside country. I say na only 16 kilometers from Bafoussam. E no over far. Na inside Bafoussam e dey. Sinte Balen. Well, anyhow, we own na for talk. This amateur image wey just enter we hand na for that side, so for agency for Grand West country people dem, na family member dem that way they don hire motor since yesterday for night. They wan go bury their person wey e don die. Die body plus all the people dem dey na for inside motor. Yes, die body plus all man dey na for inside motor as well. They talk so. They define big man for agency. E don squally. Even the other people there they work for agency, they don squally. They don left die body. And they don't let family people them for inside. So we dey ask na big question whether this kind of thing so wey dey happen for country na wetin. They don't pay you, pay you money, then you left thy body since yesterday for night. So today, as well they talk so thy body still stand up for inside motor. They need to see no big man for inside the motor. They need to see no big man. These people then they want go now for village show that they call them say Bamenju. But who side driver dey? Who side even big man for agency dey? All man e don squally. With money where people they don't pay them. Thy body says is so day for inside day. So people they don't confuse. Make una no ask and say how ambassador take there get this one. Mama no worry. I the day for all side. Now we country. And as well we country they go for before. We say we must to talk am. Now this one a disgrace. Disgrace for this company where they so it don't disgrace itself. Yes. But Bamenju people then they know if you go bury thy man. Thy man is there for inside coffin. Mona no ask and say, "Well, no show you die people." We no go show am. We no fit show na the die man. Make una no worry. So now so the thing dey pass. Confusion for family people there. They want go bury their die man. We go open chapter for Ndamba now. So country people them we talk palava normalization committee. Sabi say since we barrister for law. Happy Dieudonné e come for chair. E don dey meet up people them for talk how they fit make football for country go for before. Bell Joseph Antoine now one of the people the way they so they call him. These big people them for normalization committee they call and say make he can talk his own thing way fee say they fit make him so that country football e go na only for before. So Bell Antoine e don meet up with big lawyer Dieudonné Happy, Njomo Kevin and the other member them for normalization committee. E don give his own idea for how way they feel say palava for Ndamba for country they fit fix as so that go. After Bell we sabi say Jean Labenang he say he don be some one time workman for inside Fecafoot. He too he become for come meet up. Cho Martin Sesep he be dey big man for football wey dey promote Ndamba for Southwest Limbe side. He be dey too for talk with people them for normalization committee for give them idea how way it go happen. Sabi say today all the people there for normalization committee they dey for Douala here for put new people the way they go look out Fecafoot for Douala for chair. Sabi say na people the way they be vote them for 2009 they get for put them for chair so country people. So na correct work where Dieudonné Happy e do for say make football for country e go only for before. Palava and Ndamba also remain for day for talk say this weekend Victoria United won at the season so with the black now one of the people then that where they go play semi-final for cup for Cameroon for inside Douala here. Now this Saturday means say tomorrow Saturday Victoria United e go make versus New Stars. Yes, Victoria na then they do with the black so they go meet up with New Stars. New Stars who side the day now them they wear black so country people are white. New Stars now then they wear white. Sabi say Victoria United for qualify for semi-final in NAC Racing. Na so to New Star in NAC dark 1 knot just like 1 knot with Victoria United. It take NAC Racing for Bafoussam. So tomorrow them go meet up for inside Douala here for one of the quarterfinal semi-finals. For Sunday UMS it go meet up with Young Sports Academy. But waiting on the expect from Victoria fan them. Make we give una small, make una see am. Yes, now just for talk say Victoria United, one of the team them for quarterfinals, plenty fan them. Now also make we enter for Toriwe newspaper they talk am today, the post weekend are waiting again for Terry today, country people them, the post weekend that they try for Terry plenty thing them. East and Northwest, Southwest CPDM people them, they did so they did drag Nana rope, they no one see their face them after where they make a wakam for Northwest and Southwest for Sabi wait where they fit do so that peace if it turn back. For the post weekend too, they talk this palaver say waiting, Honorable Wibam, he don't talk again. Palaver, how many people they die, how many people they don't lose for Northwest and Southwest since where this palaver it takes start and one the way they don't run come up for country. If you want Sabi plenty, enter for the post weekend you go Sabi plenty. For Cameroon Tribune for this afternoon or the one where they come out and for this Friday, waiting Cameroon Tribune it talks waiting. They place them with palaver, it don't debate for that side for North country where Boko Haram it don't worry plenty. Peace it don't start the comeback. He say for Kolofata, Mora side and the other place them, picking them, they don't start turn back for school. Now one of the strong number that where Cameroon Tribune a carry and today plus other small to read them. Inside another Tori we will enter for this afternoon na Nouvelle Expression. Yes, Nouvelle Expression it talks waiting today. For Nouvelle Expression, they don't talk waiting. They don't try for pick some faces them for people them way they don't make social media, whether na Facebook or which one for go hot for our country. They say now the people then that where they don't worry country for social media. If you want sabi them fine plus other Tori them way Nouvelle Expression carry on today. If you never buy your own, enter one time for see how way you go take buy your own paper for read Tori and for sabi plenty for inside the Tori way Nouvelle Expression it take get on today. Messager for today too it talk waiting. He say for Yawende man iki three picking them then a wrong go hide for that side for embassy for Switzerland for country. Sabi say embassy people then say they send the man for outside. Palava for skin they say open letter a day where they don't write am for popo. If you want sabi the open letter where they write am for popo for palava as health for country, le messager he gets that answer for you. Palava too for new money where country go use am for 2018. It means a budget. Le messager he talk that palava too today, so if you buy your own for sabi more for insight. Mutation for today talks waiting. Mutation he carry the same story when le messager carry am. How way some man he key he three picking them. Then he run go hide for embassy for Switzerland for country. But Sabi say no man he never Sabi waiting. He cause this man for do that kind of war act. They say this man na Cameroon where he don't stay for outside country for Switzerland. He don't be na Switzerland man, but he don't turn back for inside country. Another Tori newspaper where we enter for inside this afternoon, the last one. Now this Poku newspaper where they call and say Popoli. Popoli the try for tell you say waiting. It's a country where no nothing, in no day like say a day. Country where no nothing, in no day like say a day. Now Popo so he dey sleep for bed. On top Popo, he sabi say Popo the dream plenty thing them. Trouble day, wahala day for Popo head. One trouble na say waiting. Palava for Northwest and Southwest. Another one Boko Haram. Another trouble where Popo the check now how way he go talk come good for people then for 2019 man damba. So now all that trouble so it dey worry Popo and na so Popoli say Poku newspaper it take show we this afternoon the one way come out today so Friday. So now the one then that way we come be them for newspaper site they take talk this Friday. Waiting we get last now this one picking it don't lose. Make we try for sure now the face for this Ngondere way don't lose. He gets 16 years, country people them, make we show na this picking we don't lose, na that. Even as we face no the show fine, na picking we get 16 years, and it is so in name na Juicy Maeva. They say this picking, it come up for house on Sunday, number 29 day for inside number 10 moon, around 11:30 for night. For quarter where they call am say waiting. Quarter for Bonaberry side, precise place, Grand Baobab. They say this picking where they call am say Maeva. Na a picking where it dey for troisième and it do Espanol for bilingual school for Bonaberry side. This picking it talk French fine and the pikin head is stand up straight. Now mean say the pikin no decrease at all. Time wey e comot for house, this pikin be get short head. Now mean say e baba head like man pikin e own. So just now, family dey beg any person wey don't see this pikin, say make e call this tingly number them 662-458-858-699-96-603-656-124-47. They say big dash, it wait you. Make we try for see how we go knock the tori too for Emmanuel Macron in country talk as so it take happen. La famille Tawa annonce la disparition de leur fille nommée Juicy Maeva, âgée de 16 ans, le dimanche 29 octobre 2017 aux environs de 23h30, 6 au quartier Bonaberry, au lieu-dit Grand Baobab. La petite Maeva est élève en classe de 3e et de espagnol au lycée bilingue du Bonaberry. Elle s'exprime en français et jouit de ses facultés physiques et mentales. Elle a des cheveux très courts, c'est-à-dire coupe garçon et teintée noire. La famille prie toute personne qui hébergerait leur fille de bien vouloir les contacter au numéro suivant 662-458-858, 699-960-603, 656 124 450 contre une très forte récompense. Country people them, now the last one that for today for this site for Equinox Tory House. Make una sabi say Saturday we get PG News debate 12:30 to 1:30, and we go turn back for the main Tory them where it don't happen for inside the week. We get change at them too where they go talk with the week. We want to take time for thank all people that they don't help with for say make program happen fine. With the member people them for outside, Stella Mbu, Ginny Edmond for Bamenda side. Big thank you for now. We get we get this big man they call say Obu Linus Ogalai for Kumbaside. And you, David Sinmaimo for Limbe, Derek Jato, you did for Boya for Douala Yem. Big thank you for Ash Tese, Claude Ikwa, na your name. We want to say big thank you, Chief Robert Mukubem, Steve Ebule. Big thank you for Lum, Jacques Inomulon, and all the other people them where they don't put hand. If you there for table, bon appetit, on a hold on tight.